Hello everyone. Okay, this is a very brief video, but it's to essentially give some context to something that's going to be coming onto the Ko-fi shop soon. This video will be linked in that as well. But initially there was a project that was being planned, and it was going to be a digital button, but I have realised that that's a bit beyond my knowledge and capability. But when there is a will, there is a way, and there has been another way found, and it's in fact offered up two options. So the actual components are going to be in two parts, but one of them's going to be free because it's just an image. But so if we just come over to here, this is PowerPoint, as many people probably know. And what I'm going to just quickly show is how to manually link the video. Initially it was going to be that the button would link to a video, but had to sort of chop and change, and I've still got that embedded link, but I'm opening up this other avenue in case people want to do it manually as well, to be able to essentially put the image and stuff on more document types and things. So if we just go here and we go link, that didn't work because I need to copy and paste that first. Right, so if we then link sorry, if we then link that in like so, and then control click, and here we are, onto the video. Yeah, as much as I would have liked to do it as the button, the one thing I will clarify, and I'll just go back onto the PowerPoint for this, is that this now has the video linked into it, the image itself. So that's how you can do that. You can't save the image and then upload it onto another document, I don't, because it doesn't save as an image. Or if you try and save it as an image, it's save as picture and it loses the link. But if you were to, let's see, if we open up a new slide, and if you were to simply copy and paste it, the link is still there and still accessible. You just need to control click on it. And yeah, I know this wasn't the most ideal way of having to go about this, but yeah, I needed the functionality, and if I had mucked up the coding on the button, it would have been a nightmare. So how this is going to play out is that the image will be available for people to pick up, but the main thing will be the PDF, which I've got set up with it. The PDF already has the video embedded into it, and I've already tested. The PDF can be downloaded fine with the link still intact. That's all working. Perfectly good, perfectly fine. And I will note that the video is unlisted, and I'm, at least for the time being, going to keep it that way. So yeah, I hope that this does help clarify and just give a bit of guidance onto this. I'm sticking with Microsoft Office for what I'm showing here today because that's what I'm familiar with, but obviously people are familiar with different things. So you've got the PDF that you can pick up with the link embedded. That will be coming onto the shop, and you can obviously link that PDF in emails and other things if you're aiming at giving some people information, because that's the whole intention behind this. Is designed to be a small informative dyspraxia baseline video to help those of us out there in the community who struggle a bit more with the communication side, or being able to, and I quote Charis here, quantify it in some ways, or explain the scale of it. So yes, hopefully this all helps and goes down according to plan. And yeah, this video will be linked in to I'll do it to both. I'll do it on the image and the PDF. And yeah, hopefully this goes according to plan and ends up helping. So, cheerio.